Hi everyone, I'm Tommaso Rossi and I'm process engineer at DALLAN. Are you a rolling shutter producer? I have a question for you. Do you want to keep losing your money or you want to start make profit? If you are a rolling shutter bar producer, you know that you waste a lot in material, up to 20%, without mentioning the cost of the warehouse, the movement and the plastic cap. So today I have the solution for you. DALLAN D6TL, the coil to windows line that allows you to produce with just one operator without the use of the plastic cap and up to 450 square meters per shift. The system uses a patented DALLAN system for the locking, so notching the profile and locking the profile. The machine minimized the waste and the use of personnel. A real money-making machine. If you want to know more about this system, contact us at eng@dallan.com or subscribe the link. See you to the masterclass. Bye!